winter weather message. For the following counties, in Ohio, Cuyahoga and Lake effect snow warning in effect until 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. What? Heavy lake effect snow. Additional snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches bringing totals to 3 to 8 inches. Where? Cuyahoga and Lake counties. When? Until 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Visibilities may drop below 1/4 mile due to falling and blowing snow and snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Plan on slippery road conditions. Additional details, the heaviest snowfall amounts will be in eastern Cuyahoga and western Lake counties. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The Ohio Department of Transportation and Ohio Turnpike and Infrastructure Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.ohgo.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. During lake effect snow, the weather can vary from bands of locally heavy snow to dry weather just a few miles away. Visibilities can also vary greatly. Be prepared for rapid changes in weather, visibility, and road conditions.